I'm Ben Townsend, CEO of Tracker Products, and I want to personally invite you to our evidence management workshop in downtown Los Angeles on Wednesday, April the 16th from 1 to 2:30. This event is open to any law enforcement agency in the Los Angeles, LA County, or Orange County area. If you work in evidence management, you know the challenges: outdated systems, clunky processes, and growing piles of evidence. It can be overwhelming. That's exactly why we're hosting this event. We'll show you how agencies are transforming their operations, reducing backlogs by up to 43%, speeding up inventories, and how to evaluate whether you have the right software in place to make it all easier. Even if you think your current system is working fine, this is a chance to see the latest advancements in evidence technology and how it could elevate your operations. You'll hear real-world stories from agencies who've modernized and walk away with practical strategies you can apply immediately, whether you're just exploring new options or planning your next move. It's also a great opportunity to connect with fellow professionals, share challenges, and grab coffee with our team of experts. Space is limited, and the event is completely free. So if you're ready to take the next step in evidence management, I hope to see you there. Register at the link below, and we'll see you in LA.